Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is one important announcement by CMA Institute with respect to CMA Foundation examinations of December 21 attempt. So this time CMA Institute has decided to conduct their CMA Foundation examination on 2nd January 2022. As we already know that CA Foundation examinations are supposed to be conducted in the month of December itself. That's why CMA Institute has decided to conduct their CMA Foundation examinations on 2nd January 2022. The greatest advantage of this is students can simultaneously pursue both the courses, and in December students can write their CA Foundation exams, and in January students can write their CMA Foundation exams, and there is plenty of time for students to prepare for their CMA Foundation after completion of CA Foundation examinations. Just like the recent two attempts, CMA Foundation examination will be held completely in MCQ mode, and it is going to be a single day exam. Exam will be conducted on 2nd January alone. So in the morning session, exam will be conducted from 10 AM to 12 noon, and in this session they are going to cover paper 1 and 2. So each paper 100 marks, and each paper consists of 50 multiple choice questions of 2 marks each. In the afternoon session, exam will be conducted from 2 PM to 4 PM, and they will be covering paper 3 and paper 4. So each paper will be 100 marks, and in each paper they will be asking 50 questions of 2 marks each. Morning session 200 marks, afternoon session 200 marks. So the examination fees will be 1200, and students need to pay the examination fee. So the most beautiful thing is they have given time up to 2nd November 2021 to apply for this CMA Foundation examination. Another great advantage of this particular exam is going to be conducted in complete online mode, and this examination will be conducted purely home based exam. That means students can comfortably stay at their home and write this exam either by using a mobile phone or a laptop or a desktop or a tab. These are all the major points which a student need to understand with respect to CMA Foundation examination. So several students were in a dilemma whether to apply for CMA Foundation examination or not. But with this announcement of examination date, all such doubts are cleared, and now students can comfortably prepare for both the courses simultaneously. And whoever have already registered for CMA Foundation, I request all of you to put exam application for CMA Foundation examinations to be held in January 2022, and you are also getting enough time for preparing CMA Foundation immediately after completion of your CA Foundation examinations. So my dear students, I hope that I have given enough clarification with respect to the examination. By the way, please do install our Android app Masterminds Online Classes, which is available in Google Play Store. So in that particular app, you can find CA Foundation, CA Inter, CA Final, regular batch and crash batch coaching classes. Either you can take coaching for all the subjects, or you can even take coaching for individual subjects. In some cases, we have even uploaded the individual chapters also. You can pay the requisite amount and you can start watching the videos either using an Android mobile or Android tab. And this kind of coaching classes are available for CA Foundation, CA Inter, CA Final, CMA Foundation, CMA Inter and CMA Final. That means all stages of CA CMA courses. And another beauty of this particular app is even rapid revision batch videos are also available. As a part of rapid revision batch, so we will be covering each subject, we will be revising each subject in just a matter of 20 to 25 hours. And everybody knows that Masterminds is extremely popular for conducting study hours and revision examinations for various stages of CA CMA courses. If at all you are not interested to attend the study hours physically, then you can appear for revision exams alone right from your home, and that service is called Masterminds Test Series. And such kind of Masterminds Test Series service can also be purchased from this Masterminds online classes app. And if you belong to iOS platform, then you need to install an app called Class Plus from Apple Store, and you need to enter the organization code as MZGUN. Then you will be able to access all the resources just like an Android app. And one more important thing, if at all you want to interact with me for any academic guidance, then you can directly send a mail to my mail ID mssprakash2012@gmail.com, and I will definitely love to clarify your doubts. All the best, my dear students.